Hi, my name is Jenny. This is my 4th day without washing my hair. Unfortunately, I'm not a real redhead, but to keep the color fresh, I wash it like once or twice max per week.
Because I'm a bleached blonde, it's really dry. I can only wash my hair once a week.
I love wearing protective styles like braids all the time. After I hit the gym or have a basketball game, I need like that fresh, like clean smell. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to try it. It smells so good. And it doesn't make my braids frizzy at all, which I love.
Ooh, it's so light. And it has no white cast.
This feels like clean and like my scalp just feels really good.
It looks shiny and it's not oily though. It looks fresh and it's very light. It's very nice to like go with your fingers to the hair. It looks so good.